Welcome to Weekly Code Quickies. In today's video, you're going to learn about React JS, what it is and what it does in the shortest video possible. My name is Norbert BM, and this is React JS. So let's get started with the video. So what is React? Also known as React.js or React JS, is an open source JavaScript library developed by Facebook, also known as Meta. Primarily used for the building of user interfaces, also known as UIs, and front-end web applications. It allows developers to create reusable UI components which can manage their own state and then compose them to build complex UIs. Here are some key features or aspects of React. Component-based architecture. React applications are built using components which are self-contained modules that encapsulate both the UI and the logic. Components can be nested, managed, and handled independently, allowing for more manageable and maintainable code. Declarative syntax. React uses a declarative approach to define UIs. Developers describe how the UI should look for a given state, and then React takes care of the updating and viewing when the state changes. This simplifies the development process and makes the code more predictable and easier to debug. Virtual DOM. React maintains a virtual DOM, an in-memory presentation of the actual DOM. When the state of the component changes, React updates the virtual DOM first, then calculates the minimal set of changes required to update the real DOM. This improves performance by reducing the number of direct manipulations on the actual DOM. JSX. This is JavaScript XML. React uses JSX, a syntax extension that allows you to write HTML-like code within JavaScript. JSX makes the code easier to understand and write by combining the rendering logic with the UI logic. State and lifecycle management. React components can manage their own state, which represents the dynamic data within the application. Components also have lifecycle methods, also known as component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount, that allow developers to perform actions at specific points in the component's lifecycle. Benefits of using React. Reusable components or components in React can be reused across different parts of an application, or even across different projects, promoting code reuse and reducing redundancy. Improved performance. The virtual DOM and efficient defining algorithm ensure that React applications are performant even with frequent updates and changes to the UI. A strong community and ecosystem. React has a large and active community, which means wealth of resources, tutorials, just like this one, and third-party libraries are available for you to use. Tools like Create React App, React Router, and Redux are commonly used to enhance React applications. SEO friendly. Well, not quite, but while React is primarily client-side, it can be rendered on the server side, using frameworks like Next.js, which will also be the next video, making applications more SEO friendly. Rich developer tools. React developer tools are available as browser extensions, allow developers to inspect React components, hierarchy, props, and state, making debugging and development more efficient. In summary, React is a powerful and flexible library for building user interfaces, offering a component-based architecture, a virtual DOM for performance, and a rich ecosystem that makes it a popular choice among developers for modern web application development. So that's it for React.js. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe. Catch you next time. I'm Norbert BM. Bye-bye.